Hello, this video is about how to edit, and I'm going to show you very basic things like how to add some things in the beginning, like let's say a photo or a thumbnail, and in the end, and maybe some transitions, how to trim and cut the video. So this is the most basic thing that it could be used. Of course, even more basic and more simple if you do one-shot thing and then you trim it on your phone. You don't need to use any external software. Actually, most of my videos, this is how I do them. For this course, we used a bit of editing. I'm going to show you how with Movie Maker for Windows and iMovie for Macs. So they're free. That's why I use them. They're simple. That's even more important. So let's go for it. Yeah, so I'm going to show you Movie Maker. Before I go into, like, you need to click new project, but there is here a button that will, if you don't have it, it's gonna download an application that helps you convert videos from to MP4, which is the needed format for here. I did it because the video we used, it was in MOV format, which is not applicable. So it could be you need to convert, but it's also easy. So here, and then it's gonna guide you. Yeah, so when you want to do something, you want to create a new project, new video, click create new project. Then this is what you'll see. Then you put add clip, here photo, video, and it's going to open a location. Here, this is the converted video, this is the original. So you see I converted it so we can use it here. I click, open, and it's going to add it here, like I'm going to import it. So I have it in this project. I'll wait a bit. Yeah, so, but I don't want only this. I want also to add some other things because we want, so I go here and I want to add this photo. Yeah, twice because I want it in the beginning and in the end. Okay, so when you have something, you can also move it here as you wish. Move it now. Okay, here you go. You moved it. I moved it. So basically, this is what you have. Like, if you can also put another video, I will put the same video again just to show. So you have two videos together. Or we have another video, so I'm going to put it on the video from the course. And then I want it to be like to each other. So you can just put them like this. And if there is something in any of the videos, like this one will require some trimming, so I can watch it and see how it goes. Hello. Great you're into this. You see that in the beginning, there you hear go, this is Julia. So I don't want that you hear this. So that's why I'm gonna trim it. Yeah, so I go here and there is yeah, the more tools. There is a trim video, and in this trim video you choose add trimmers, and then basically you have this. Now I'm going to trim the whole video, which I don't, so you can move it to the part that you want to remove. I'm not gonna, so you can also see which part exactly. If you want to remove small parts or exact space, then you can use this time scale to make it basically more wide that you can see it. Yeah, we have more frames, so it's easier to trim. Yeah, so it's huge. But if it's something not so exact, then you can do it like this, and it's easier to do so. So you choose how much you want to trim, then you click OK from this part, and then basically it's trimmed from this. But then I want also to remove things from the end, and then again add trimmers, and then I remove what I don't want that you see in the end, and I click OK, and now it's removed. This video here, you can, because I don't want it all, I want to split the video. Okay, I cannot split the video, so no splitting video in this version. So no splitting, so you do the shots that you need to do, but basically if I don't need it, or for some reason, I can also of course delete it. In this case I will. So what is left is these pictures. I wanted to be in the beginning and the end. I can decide how long they need to be there. So I want it to be like 6 seconds, and then I want to have a transition. Yeah, that it's there. Say wind, and you can try them out. And here I want a transition that is the same wind, and then I want to see how it goes. So you see the transition. So this is the wind transition. Okay, and it's a mini course about how to shoot what you with ease without. Okay, wait. So this is transition for the pictures. I want also this that has transition, but I don't like the wind one to read, so I want it to fade in. So I click, and then you will see now. I click here. I'm gonna stay 6 seconds. And then it's going to go to the video, it's going to fade in. It's a mini course about how to shoot your video with ease without all the technical. It sounds a bit weird because I cut it too much, but it's just for, I'm going to fix it later. This is just for showing purposes, that show technique. And basically that's it. I mean, this is it. Then when you want to, you cannot save projects in the free version. So you need to save the video directly. So you click save video, and no, because you cannot save it. So it's going to ask you what kind of, yeah, you just click OK. I mean, HD is good. You cannot make HD in the free version, I think. Yeah, so only HD, which is good enough. If you want to play with bitrate, if you know what it is, play. If not, just click OK. And then it's going to start converting. I'm going to ask you where. So, almost final, because it's not final. Almost final. And I click save. And that's it. It's going to take some time, but I'm not going to wait to show. So basically then you have your project. You go and check it, of course, because sometimes mistakes happen. You watch the whole thing. You watch also before you click save, because it's saving, and other, like in general, when you processing the video to the final version, it takes time. So better have a look, see if everything is how you want it, so you don't wait without purpose. So this is for Movie Maker, and in a moment you're gonna be a transition to the iMovie version.